And we cut across to breaking news coming in, putting an end to the speculation on leadership change. Karnataka Chief Minister has said that he will remain in power for the next 2 years. Yes, this is the big breaking news coming in at 4:21 p.m. on Yediyurappa, as he has put out a statement very clearly. He's ended all the speculation that has been going on his leadership change, and the Karnataka Chief Minister has made it amply clear that he will remain in power for the next 2 years. I also want to put out details of the statement that he's made, and I believe we'd be able to play that reaction out. Let's listen.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅರುಣ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಅವಧಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ನಾಯಕರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರೇ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜನೇ ಇನ್ನು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವರೇನು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೀರಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ವಿನಮ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
All right, Malvika Avinash from the BJP is now joining us on the phone line. Malvika, this is exactly what is coming in from the party, that Yediyurappa is the undisputed leader. He will complete his term, is what Arun Singh, the Karnataka in charge, has said, saying that whatever the speculation may be or whatever the controversy around leadership change may be, it is going to be none whatsoever.
It is true that in the last few days there has been some ongoing discussion both in print and electronic media about a possible change of guard. However, in reality, there is no such conversation within the party. And be that as it may, whatever be the situation, it is all well within the party forum that any such discussion, if it were to happen, would have happened or will happen. Therefore, there were unnecessary comments that were coming from various quarters, which has all now been put to rest with our National General Secretary Arun Singh ji coming forth and clarifying that there is absolutely no such discussion going on within the party. And our Chief Minister Yediyurappa has just reconfirmed based on what Mr. Arun Singh has said. I hope that with this, the media will also put this matter to rest.
Oh yes, the line is coming in very clearly from the party as far as such speculation is concerned. But Malvika, where do you think this is coming from then?
No, there has been, whenever any party is in power, and you can be sure that there will be some disgruntlement among some MLAs who didn't make it to the cabinet, or, they may have other reasons of concern. And sometimes they do end up speaking to the media instead of speaking within to the party president or to the chief minister. Perhaps that is what leads to all of this. And now with Mr. Yediyurappa clarifying, and with our National General Secretary Arun Singh ji also, putting an end to all of this speculation, I think the matters should be, rested. There is no need for any more speculation. It's loud and clear.
All right, fair enough. Clarity coming in from the Karnataka in charge. And on that note, Malvika, I want to thank you for speaking to the public. We step into a short commercial break.